Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the third tutorial on the beginners tutorial series. This tutorial we're going to learn how to tune your guitar. So there are numerous ways of tuning the guitar, either by your ear, if you've trained your ear enough, and if you're like me that you need a guide, that you may need a tuner. There are a lot of tuning apps and devices around. So I have this when I got this guitar, so I can use it to tune my guitar. So the first thing to know is the keys that you need to tune your guitar to. So if you paid attention to the previous tutorials, you know that the first string, we count the strings from the bottom. So the first string is E, is tuned to E. The second string is tuned to B. Third string is tuned to G. Fourth string is tuned to D. Fifth string is tuned to A. And the sixth string tuned to E. There are also apps that can be used to tune the guitar. So I actually use the Guitar Tuna app, which is very easy to use. So it tells you that it is low, then you have to tighten it to increase the key. So we can focus on this one. You see that the first string is quite in tune. Yeah, it's in tune. And the second string, B, is actually out of tune, so I have to tighten it. Yeah. So tightening it takes it to the next key moving forward. This is low, so tune up. If I lower it, I'm going back. I have to tighten it for it to reach G. Am I playing G? Yeah, so that's G. And the D, have to tune it up a little. When you look at it's way easier using this one. It says I should tune it up. When I go to the A, it's actually in tune. Then the E, I have to tune it up. Yeah. Okay. In tune. So it tends to green when it's in tune. So the app makes that sound when it's in tune. Okay, so we have our guitar in tune. Another traditional way is to use the fifth fret. You know, the fifth fret, I need to know which note this one is. When we go here, we have this open as E, so F sharp, G sharp, A. So this is A. And we know that the fifth string is A. This fifth string is A when it's open. So when I put my finger on the fifth fret on the sixth string, playing A should give me the same sound, the same key. Yeah, so if you realize that they are sounding the same, they're giving the same note, you see that your guitar is in tune. So since this one is A, I have to look at what this note is. So A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, and the next one is what? D. So if you get your first string in tune, let's say for example you are in a group that you are playing together. So once you are using the app, any disturbance can disrupt you from tuning your guitar with the app. It will be picking a lot of keys elsewhere, not just the guitar. So you may not be able to tune your guitar unless you tune it in silence, in a silent environment. So what if the environment is loud? Then you may ask the keyboardist to give you the A note. Then you tune your C string to it. Then you play. Then you use the rest to tune the subsequent strings. So from here you see that this one is D, is giving us the D, and this one D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, and the third string is what? G. So the first four are going to give us the same movement, and when we come here, G, so G sharp, A sharp, B, and we know that the second string is B, so we are not coming to the fifth fret for this string. You see, it sounds the same. And on the B string, 1, so C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. But we come back to the fifth string, fifth fret for this one. So then you can see that your guitar is in tune. Yeah. So that's another way of tuning your guitar. Or if maybe you know your sophist, yeah, so that's basically how to tune your guitar. You can use your ear. If you have an instrument around, you can hit the C note or any note to tune your guitar to that note, and after tuning it, you use this technique to look for the other to tune the other strings. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video this far, and don't forget to give a like, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, and share to your friends as well. Thank you. See you next time.